This is day 12 of riding my bike every day until I get sponsored, and today we're gonna do a wheelie tutorial. So the first step to learning how to wheelie is putting your seat up high. Because if your seat is down, you're not gonna be able to put your front wheel up. Now that you know that your seat must be up high, you also have to know that you have to shift into a slower gear. Because being in a higher gear may be easier to put your front wheel up, but then to keep the front wheel up, it's gonna be hard. So shift into a slower or middle gear. Ideally, to learn to wheelie, you have to shift into the middle of the cassette, like this. Now that you know the form and the bike settings, all you have to do is just give a little pedal kick and lean backwards like I showed you, and just try it over and over again until you get it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Thank you to Celine Cara for that comment. I always appreciate your supportive comments. And until tomorrow, bye.